The World Health Organization is calling on China to bring private vaccine distribution to the same high standards as its public program. China is cracking down after a mother-daughter team bought vaccines in bulk and illegally resold them to hospitals and clinics across the country. CCTV's Wu Guoxiu has more.
Are China's vaccines safe? Amid widespread public concern and questions from the media, the World Health Organization expressed its confidence in Chinese vaccines.
The Chinese National Regulatory Authority for Vaccine is known to regulate at international standards. This gives us confidence knowing that every batch of vaccine that's released for use in China, whether it's the private sector vaccine or the government-run public sector vaccine, all starts out life as safe, pure, potent, and effective.
In the recent scandal, a large quantity of improperly stored or expired vaccines were allegedly sold across China since 2011. The WHO says the incident has revealed problems in the supply chain, the distribution of vaccines available for purchase on the private market. China's State Council has set up a cross-department team to investigate the case and a supervision team to oversee the investigation. Premier Li Keqiang has said regulatory bodies, including the CFDA, Health Ministry, and police, need to work more in tandem, and that dereliction of duty will not be tolerated. Investigators are still tracing the distribution of the vaccines.
A total of 69 criminal cases have been filed and 130 people have been apprehended. According to police investigators, the vaccines were not produced and sold by illegal factories. Instead, they are normal vaccines sold by legal factories. Those vaccines are type 2 vaccines, which are bought by citizens on a voluntary basis. The police department has detained and sealed 20,000 vaccines.
Responding to parents' concerns, the WHO says the illegally traded vaccines would not lead to side effects or toxic reactions, but some children may need to be revaccinated. Confidence is the word that has appeared multiple times during this news conference. The WHO says it's confident of the manufacturing of all vaccines in China, but now it's the public's confidence that urgently needed to be restored. A crucial way to achieve that, the WHO says, is to improve the management and oversight of privately purchased vaccines in China. Wu Guoxiu, CCTV, Beijing.